Today we are going to learn about the sound OU, that is ow. Ow. The sound is ow. The sound of OU is ow. So let's listen the sound.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Now the action. The children pretend their finger is a needle and use it to pick their thumb, saying ow, ow. So this is the sound of OU, ow. Now the story time. A girl is at her grandmother's house. Granny is teaching her how to sew. They sit down on a couch. Granny threads two needles, one with brown cotton and the other with black. The girl pushes her needle through some cloth. Suddenly, she frowns and shouts, ow. She has pricked her thumb with the needle. So the sound was ow. Now, let's see some formation. So, as you all can see, this is the formation of OU, that is ow. Now let's do some blendings.
Ow. Out. Ow. D. Loud. Ow. Noun. Ow. D. Cloud. Found.
So this was the blending of sound ow. Now let's listen the song of ow.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
So children, this was the end of the lesson, the sound of OU, that is ow. Thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood the song, the blendings, the story and the sound. Be safe and be at home.